Yeah.
I hope y'all not cricket, because I already stopped once to fix the camera. If you are, I'm sorry. It's my first video for this channel. Anyway, got something to say. I just got done with the Amazon shift. Usually I do the early morning, and I'm at this time of year done before the sun comes out, but I didn't have a shift pre-scheduled today, so I just took one. I just took one, and it was 7 to 12, and I just got done. It's almost 11. Gotta love when you get done early, except for the fact that they sent me out to the middle of nowhere, so the hour early I got done is my hour drive home. So ignore the GPS if you hear it, because like I said, I'm in the middle of nowhere, so I don't know how to get home. But how y'all doing today? Me, I'm chilling. I didn't want to take that shift today, but I need the money. Like we all do. Woke up. Y'all, I'm sorry if I'm blurry. I'm driving, so I don't even have time to even try to fool it. I hope I'm not blurry, y'all. The camera might be a little bit, well, not the camera itself, but the screen. The topic of this video that I wanted to post first, y'all might already know, but DoorDash. What that remind y'all of?
Marsha.
But across my timeline for like the past month has been DoorDash everything. DoorDash herself. People with DoorDash in their thumbnail or in the title of the video. DoorDash this, DoorDash that. And for a while I'm ignoring these videos because I don't know why it's on my screen. I never clicked on nothing, searched nothing, or I don't know what caused my algorithm to fill my whole timeline up with DoorDash stuff, and I'm like, what even is this? I assumed it was a gig worker doing gig stuff like me. I don't know if the Googler just knew that I do gig stuff too, so you want to show me somebody doing that, but that's not what I watch on YouTube. It's really not. But I've seen so many videos that intrigue got the best of me, so I clicked on it, and it was just some normal videos. No offense, but I wasn't impressed. Like I said, that's not something I would normally click on or search for, so of course my normal YouTube knows that that's not my thing, I guess. But y'all can hear me though. Let me try to talk up a little bit. The mic is on, so hopefully y'all can hear me and not too much of cabin noise. Where was I at? Oh yeah, I watched her, and no offense, but she just wasn't my cup of tea. There was nothing wrong with the videos. There was nothing that like annoyed me or made me want to click off or nothing, but it didn't wow me. And so I'm like, okay. So I watched a couple of the other people's videos that had her name in their thumbnail or in the title of their video. And let me tell you, it's some people something I would normally click on. Like if they didn't have her name in their title because I'm being nosy. I want to know what's the big deal about DoorDash. Why is she everywhere? But I mean, it's just normal. So I'm like, what the heck? I don't know why this is on my screen. And so I went on about my life, watching my normal videos whenever I get a chance to watch YouTube. But still, DoorDash's followers and detractors and everything else, DoorDash still kept coming across my screen. And then I got a light bulb. I watched one of her videos, and I gotta say, DoorDash, you got me. What I think it was God put those things on my screen. It was divine intervention. Because I've started and stopped YouTube multiple times. I have multiple channels. I was actually an OG YouTuber back when YouTube first started. I was posting, and I was posting regularly. It was more like my weight loss journey at the time. I was trying to lose weight. Clearly I'm still on that journey. But I didn't have a job at that time, there was no monetization, so I was making videos just for the fun of it, purely for the fun of it. And like I said, I didn't have a job, so I was posting consistently. I was getting views, subscribers, everything everybody's striving to get these days I had. But I got a job. I got hired on somewhere, and YouTube fell by the wayside. Mind you, at that time that I accepted employment, I started to get monetization emails. Problem, I was young. I was very young back then, and I didn't know what that meant. So I pretty much, I was clicking on it and stuff and signing up for whatever YouTube wanted me to do. But again, I didn't know what that meant, so I stopped YouTube to work. And now I don't have access to that YouTube anymore. And that one is the one that would have blew me up if I had known what I know now. But since then, like I said, I've done other channels, and I stopped doing the videos, stopped being consistent, because I stopped wanting to get pretty for the camera. I always wanted to have my hair done, have my makeup done, be in a cute outfit, be in a place where the video would look nice and all this stuff. And one of DoorDash's most recent videos, the one that gave me the light bulb, was like, I don't have to get pretty. I don't have to be skinny. I don't have to have my makeup done and my hair done and my nails done. I don't even have to be at home, clearly, because I can do it right here in the car, at the park, at the gym, wherever I happen to be. I can do it at any time. It's not necessary to put on a production anymore for YouTube, which when I'm working full time and have other things to do, it just makes it difficult to put on that type of production. I don't mind doing it when I have nothing else to do, of course, and I'm not knocking anybody who does put on a full production. I aspire. I aspire to be able to do that if I could ever become a full-time content creator. Mind you, that's not my dream, that's not my goal. I got other things I would prefer to do and like to do, but doing YouTube full-time, content creating full-time will give you not only the freedom, I'm in the fast lane and I'm behind somebody who's going about 60. And the people beside me aren't passing them. Sorry, sidetrack. But he had me slow down. Y'all notice before I'm just chilling. I'm going my normal speed limit. I'm not gonna say what that is. I'm not gonna say what that was, but he just threw me off because I had to hit the brakes. Come on, bro. Anyway. Having the freedom to not have to answer to someone other than yourself and you guys would just make life easier in the grand scheme of the new American dream, which isn't a big house with a white picket fence and a family of 4.5. But the new American dream is what I am ultimately striving for. I say all that to say, I think it's finally my time. I don't have to, again, get pretty and have a production setup, have the best camera, have the best lighting, or anything. What I have to do is get in front of this camera, press record, and just talk, which is what I'm gonna do. Hopefully I'll be way more consistent with you guys' help, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you DoDash, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.
1 mile, turn right to merge onto I-71 South.
That's so annoying.